find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x square. For f of x is equal to x square. In the interval 0, 2l. So find the Fourier series means this is a change of interval. So the Fourier series of formula is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx n pi x, not nx, n pi x by l plus bn sin n by x by l, bn sin n pi x by l. So this is very important. The formula is very important. So next we have to find the value of a0. The limit is given 0 to 2l. So a0 the formula is 1 divided by l integral 0 to 2l f of x dx, which is equal to 1 divided by l integral over the limit 0 to 2l f of x is x square dx. So x square dx if we are integrating 1 divided by l, x square if we are integrating x cube by 3. The limit is integral 0 to 2l, which is equal to 1 divided by l 2l whole cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3, which is equal to 2l cube is equal to 8l cube. So therefore which is a0 is equal to 1 divided by l 8l cube divided by 3, which is equal to 8l square divided by 3. This is a0 value, right? L cube divided by l will be l square. So next we have to find the an value. So an is equal to 1 divided by l integral over the limit 0 to 2l f of x cos n pi x divided by l into dx. So which is equal to 1 divided by l integral over 0 to 2l f of x is x square cos n pi x by l into dx. So we are going to use the Bernoulli's formula. Why? Because there are two terms. Integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. So we will use the Bernoulli's formula. Here we are going to use the so Bernoulli's formula here we cannot we are going to use the Bernoulli's formula, sorry. So u is equal to x square, v is equal to cos n pi x divided by l. Where we cannot use the Bernoulli's formula, there are two terms x square cos n by x by l. Suppose if there is e power x into cos n by x by l, you cannot use the Bernoulli's formula. Okay, because either there are two terms u or v, either u or v should be polynomial, right? Then only we can use the Bernoulli's formula. So u dash is equal to 2x, u double dash is equal to 2, v1 is equal to cos n pi x. If we are integrating sin n by x by l divided by n pi by l. So therefore l divided by n pi sin n pi x by l. This is v1. So v1 is equal to this one. Next we have to find v2. So v2 is equal to sin, if we are integrating, minus l square divided by n square pi square cos n pi x divided by l. Next v3 is equal to minus l cube divided by n cube pi cube sin n pi x by l. Okay, so these are the integrations we are going to use in the Bernoulli's formula. So an is equal to 1 by l u v1 minus u dash v2 u double dash v3. So therefore u v1 is x square L divided by n pi sin n by x by L minus u dash 2x. v2 there are minus L square by n square pi square, that's why 2x L square n square pi square cos n by x by L plus u double dash, so minus 2L cube divided by n cube pi cube sin n by x by L, sin n pi x by L, the limit is 0 to 2L, the limit is 0 to 2L. So we are going to integrate it. So we are integrated. So the answer is we are going to apply the limits. So the limits are, which is equal to, if you apply 2L for sin will be 0. Only you will get cos value for upper limit as well as lower limit. If you apply sin 2n pi L divided by L. So L cancel, sin 2n pi you will get, sin 2n pi value is 0. When you apply the lower limit 0, sin 0, so it will be 0. So that's why we are taking only the value of cos value. So an is equal to, okay, so an is equal to, this will be 2L. So 2x, for x 2L means 4L cube 2 into 2L, 4L, already there is L square, so 4L cube divided by n square pi square cos 2n pi L divided by L, L cancel. If you apply the lower limit 0, it will become 0. So an value is equal to cos 2n by 1. Here will be 1 by L. An is equal to 1 by L into. So L cube cancel. So there will be 4L square divided by n square pi square. Okay. So this will be the answer. 4L square divided by n square pi square. This is an value. Next you have to find in the same way bn. So bn is equal to, okay, so bn value is equal to, let us see, bn is equal to 1 divided by L integral over the limit 0 to 2L f of x sin n by x by L, sin n pi x divided by L into dx, which is equal to 1 divided by L integral over the limit 0 to 2L x square sin n pi x by L into dx. So now we are going to use again the Bernoulli's formula. Integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus etc. So therefore u is equal to x square, v is equal to sin n pi x by L. So u dash, which is equal to differentiation 2x, u double dash differentiation 2, v1 minus L divided by n pi cos n pi x by L. If you are integrating sin n by x by L, you will get this one. v2 is equal to minus L square divided by n square pi square, cos means if you are integrating sin n by x by L, sin n pi x by L. v3 is equal to, so v3 which is equal to, v3 which is equal to minus, so sin if you are integrating, again you will get minus sign, already there is minus, so that's why plus L cube divided by n cube pi cube cos n pi x by L. So uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So therefore bn value is equal to 1 divided by L uv1. So minus x square L by n pi cos n pi x by L minus u dash. So plus 2x L square divided by n square pi square sin n pi x by L. plus u double dash 2l cube divided by n cube pi cube cos n pi x by l. The limit is 0 to 2l. Okay, so again you got to apply the limit. So 1 by l. So sine for upper limit as well as lower limit value will be 0. So 1 by l minus x square, 2l square, 4l square, that is l. So 4l cube divided by n pi cos 2n pi l divided by l. L cancel. Plus 2l cube. We are applying upper limit. N cube pi cube cos 2n pi x divided by, so L divided by L. L cancel. Next minus lower limit you have to apply. So when you apply the lower limit, first term will become 0 because there is x square. Second term will become 2L cube divided by n cube pi cube cos 0. N cube pi cube cos 0. So therefore answer is, which is equal to 1 by L minus, so 2L cube, right? So minus of 4L cube divided by n pi, cos 2n pi value is 1. Second term cos 2n pi value is 1. So plus 2L cube divided by n cube pi cube minus 2L cube divided by n cube pi cube. So this is the answer. So you can cancel it. If you are cancelling, you will get Bn value is equal to, this is a plus minus cancel, L cube cancel. So minus of 4L square divided by n pi. So this will be, this is the Bn value. So after finding A0, An, Bn value, you have to substitute in the formula of Fourier series. What is the Fourier series? F of x is equal to, Fourier series, f of x is equal to A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity An cos n pi x by L plus Bn sin n pi x by L. So what is A0? A0 is equal to 8L square by 3. So A0 is equal to 8L square divided by 3 whole divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity An. An is 4L square divided by n square pi square cos n pi x by L plus Bn. Bn just now we have got. So Bn is equal to, Bn value is equal to minus, here is Bn value, minus 4L square divided by n pi. So Bn value is equal to minus 4L square divided by n pi sin n pi x by L. So this will be the final answer. Thank you.